Augment Code is a must-have tool in every developer's toolkit in 2025. Today, I'm going to demo you the power of it by building a full mobile app from scratch. We're going to be building Strava for dog walks. Yes, that's right. You can track where your dog walks, where it poops, where it pees, and we're going to do it all with a couple prompts using Augment Code. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you do it, and we're going to test the app and get it working, and we'll talk about Augment Code. So let's do it. So what I do first is open up the chat in Augment here. I'm literally just going to say, what would an MVP for Strava look like? And we'll see what comes back here. Okay, we got some basic requirements here. If I was doing this as a real full-fledged product, I do a lot of planning in this step to line out the full product requirements documents, the database structure, what all these edge cases are. I'd even make a PRD for every individual feature of the app just to fully give our AI coding agent the best context to execute tasks. But for this exercise, it's a real quick demo to see how quickly we can bootstrap an MVP for an idea. So what I'm going to do now is literally just copy this entire PRD. I'm going to switch to agent chat. Build me the following application for React Native Expo app, except make it Strava for dog walks. Cool, so now we have the MVP with our unique twist we put on it. And what I'm going to do before I give this to agent chat is click this enhance rewrite prompt button down here. And this will make the prompt more actionable for the Augment agent to act upon and give us better results. Okay, and we can see it made some important sections like core features, tech requirements, scope, and deliverables. Perfect. Now let's click submit to the agent and let it cook. So Augment's going to do a lot here. We can see it detects it's an empty repo. And it's going to make a task list here. We can expand this, and it's going to have it broken down to test the app. So this is perfect. And why I like it over something like Cursor, which doesn't quite do some planning before it executes a big task. And should know Augment won't always do this. If it's a simple one-shot feature, it won't do planning. And by breaking it down into subtasks, it's going to do it one at a time. So the odds of this crashing because it tries to do too much at once is a lot lower. So that is a huge reason, in my opinion, why Augment is the best AI coding partner right now. Now it prompts us to install the dependencies. We'll click run here. Okay, so it has all the libraries installed. Now we can see exactly what it's doing, which is great, making the mock data, the types, some formatters, and updating the task list as it goes. Super transparent what it's doing. So I scanned the QR code and got this error on my phone. We're running in Expo Go, and we can actually see here it was reading the terminal as it was running and is making a fix for the error unprompted. And as we work, you can see it re-indexes the code base, so it has full context of all our changes going on. This is something much more powerful than what Cursor can currently do from my current experience, as Augment is built for large enterprise code base applications. So when you're an indie dev working on a small and medium sized repo, it's cracked completely. Okay, and now it's at a point where it's asking if we should keep going. I said yes, but also I was testing the app and I saw that the map feature wasn't working. So I'm saying, hey, by the way, it's not working. And I gave it some example files here of actual walks I took in Strava. I don't know if it wants fit or GPX files. And I also want pictures of real dogs, like my Molly dog here, because she's awesome. And let's make it more personalized. So let's see how it can handle that. All right, it's done. The app's working. It added the features I wanted. So now I'm going to scan the QR code with my iPhone, open that locally here. And boom, we can see the Strava home feed with the orange theming. A couple different walks here. We can click into one, see all the stats. I can click add poop, click on the map, and it adds it, add a P, same thing. That's hilarious. You can see the totals here. You can go to the profile tab and see stats for Molly in the week. See it week by week here Awesome. So this just goes to show the power of Augment Code and how quickly it can get an MVP for your app going based on literally just a simple MVP. And we also didn't manually edit any code at all, which is crazy. So let me know, guys, down below, have you used Augment Code? Is this something you're going to try for this tutorial? Are you more of a Claude Code guy or sticking with Cursor? I'm definitely going to be leaning more into Augment after this tutorial, and I'll be doing more build outs. So make sure you subscribe to see those, and I will see you guys in the next video.